Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to turn sound on or off on chess.com. So, I was on chess.com the other day and wanted to quickly adjust the sound settings because the move effects were getting a bit distracting. So, I opened the app on my PC first, logged into my account, and went straight to the lower left corner where the settings cog is, then click into All Settings and landed on a Board and Pieces section where most of the game customization lives. And from there, I just scrolled all the way down until I found the Sounds option, which is basically a simple toggle. So I tried turning it off and on just to see how it behaves and instantly updates with a check mark when it's disabled, which makes it super clear what state it's in. And then I switch over to mobile just to compare and open the three-line menu on the bottom right. Went into settings, tap on port options, and right at the top, I found the same sounds toggle. And once I switched it off, it immediately went gray, confirming it was disabled. So overall, it's actually a pretty quick settings to control across both devices once you know exactly where to look. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.